9 in Malaybalay City. He was baptized on September 13, 1989, and a member of Baisa Seventh-day Adventist Church. He was accepted as ministerial intern in March 2018 and as a regular worker on September 1, 2022. His ministry started in the year 2003 as a church pastor, assisting evangelism in the district in Parang Marikina. In the year 2009, he also organized young professional group in the church in Santa Cruz, Porac, Pampanga. In the year 2010, he joined the jail ministry and reached out youth community in Tabuyok, Apalit, Pampanga. In the year 2011 to 2013, as a church pastor, he organized community evangelism in Victoria, Manila. In 2014, opened new territories of barangay for evangelism in Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. And in 2014 to 2016, as a church planter, strengthened and empowered group of believers in church planting site in San Jose, Ternate, Cavite. So in the year 2017, as a pre-intern, church planter, rallied the district to reach out and help indigenous community in Madalas, General Pino, Nueva Ecija. And in 2019, as a regular worker, he was called to pastor the youth at Baisa Church, and in 2022, up to this present, he is a district pastor, reach out indigenous community in North Zambales district. He was married, or is married, to Miraflor Mirabiles Benita, and his service and passion in the ministry, wrote 88 new believers, and for him, ordination